La 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 la.
La 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 la.
La 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 la.
La 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 la.
Here comes Andy, ready to go. Learning above and learning below. Andy the ant was a naughty one, climbing up trees just for fun, fun, fun. He woke up early before the sun and said, "Today I'm gonna run, run, run." He passed the flowers, he passed the log, he waved hello to the garden frog. He climbed so high on his tiny legs, above the mushroom, above the eggs.
Above, above.
That's up so high.
Below, below.
That's down, oh my.
Above the cloud
And below the ground.
Andy the ant goes round and round.
Above,
Below.
up high, down low, here we go.
Hey, Bo! Below, Andy the ant puts on a show.
Leaf to leaf he jumped and hopped.
Above the branch he just never stopped.
One leaf above, count with me.
1,
2 leaves above on the tall, tall tree.
2,
3 leaves high, can you see?
3.
Above the nest and above the bee.
I'm the king of the world,
Andy cried.
balancing up on his naughty pride.
The wind blew once, the branch went crack.
Andy looked forward,
Couldn't look back. His 6 legs slipped on the slippery bark.
uh-oh, Andy.
Here comes the dark.
He slipped, he slid
He tumbled down
from above the tree.
to below the ground.
Splash!
Right into the pond so wide. Below the lily,
Below the tide,
below the duck and below the frog.
below the water,
Below the log,
he bubbled up and he looked around.
everything's above me now, I found. Below the surface,
Everything's still.
the water's cold and gives a chill.
The fish swim past
The bubbles rise.
from below the water up to the skies.
Andy thought, now I understand.
Below means down
Just like the sand,
and above means up.
like where I fell from.
Math is fun.
When lessons come,
A frog was sitting below the log.
jump on my back.
Said the friendly frog.
Andy hopped up from below the water,
Back to above.
just like he oughta.
He landed safe on the big green leaf and took a breath with such relief.
I went below,
Now I'm above again.
Andy smiled.
He's the smartest ant. Above, above.
That's up so high.
Below, below.
That's down, oh my.
Above the cloud.
And below the ground.
Andy the ant goes round and round.
Above,
Below.
up high, down low.
Here we go.
Above.
Below, Andy the ant puts on a show.
Now you try.
Point your finger high.
That's above.
Touch it to the sky.
Now point it down toward the ground.
That's below.
Best math trick around.
When something's up, say above and cheer.
When something's down,
Say below right here.
you learned your math.
Just like today.
Andy the ant shouts, hip, hip, hooray!
Above, below. Above, below.
Andy the ant says,
Bye-bye.